Hey guys, what's up? Welcoming to my YouTube channel. Hope all are you doing great. In this video, I will explain how to upload ION documents in Explore ION. Without wasting the time here, let's get into the video. First, you have to search in Google like Explore TCS. Then the page it will come. If you scroll up means like Explore profile and all is coming, right? So you have to click on student. Then it will asking like we are taking you to another website now. Then you have to click on OK. After clicking the OK, then the login page it will come. So you have to enter your email ID and password. Then you have to click on login. After clicking the login, the page it will open like TCS Ion home page. This is see all courses are available here. So in this after receiving your joining letter, in your joining letter like joining date and all they mention, right? So according to that joining date, one course they accessing here, I mean in this Ion portal. See, for me like August 18 is the joining date. So see here TCS virtual onboarding 18th August 2022. Like this you have to get after receiving your joining letter, I mean after scheduling your onboarding. So first you have to click on here, then it will come like courses and community means like if you have any sample documents and all they posted in community, like if you have any doubts regarding those documents and all you can chat there in community. And courses is there, right? So for uploading documents you have to click on the courses. So after clicking the courses, like after entering into the courses, then it will show like this. For me it's showing like 80% completed, but for you it's showing like 0% completed because still you didn't upload any documents, right? So for uploading documents you have to click on launch. So after clicking on launch button, the next page it will come like this. See, explore candidate onboarding 18th August 2022. For you, which date is your onboarding date? That date it will show here. Next onboarding documents upload. So here see, I already uploaded. That's why it's showing like view result status pass. I mean status pass means successfully uploaded for me. So here available attempts and all is there. See, 5 chances they will give for uploading each document. So within that available chances you have to upload successfully. See, first onboarding documents uploaded, right? I uploaded all the documents, so that's why it's coming like this, asking like undertaking upload folder. I told in previous video, right, which documents are mandatory for uploading in Explore ION. So all these documents keep it ready during the uploading process. So first it will ask like undertaking upload folder. So you have to click on view assessment. So after clicking view assessment it will open in another folder, something like this. So I already uploaded, that's why it's showing download option. So for you it's showing like here browse. You have to click on browse, like so there you have to select your document. And keep it mind like they mentioned in above as like see your document rename as date of joining underscore undertaking ct or reference number next your name. So like this format only you have to rename as your document. After that only you have to upload, otherwise it will reject. Understood, right? So after your document then you have to click upload, then it will upload successfully. After 1 or 2 days it will show like view status and all. So after selecting your document then you have to click on submit, then it will submit. Here it will show like see attempted, and like it means which date you will submit those document, that date it will show here. And status also it's there like action view result status and all, it's showing like this. So after that you have to move to another document. So for click to go forward you have to click next. It will come like see candidate offer letter. So all these are the samples. So So this is the sample. See, after every page in your offer letter, you have to sign bottom of each page of your offer letter. So it's showing like this for reference. So after that, you have to click on forward. Then next you have to upload offer letter here. For that, same attempts available 5. So you have to upload all these documents within those attempts. And one more, like, see here they mention like due date December 10, 2023. So don't say this date. Which date they will tell, like in mail they will mention like before this date, this particular date you have to complete all documents. So within that date only you have to upload. Don't see this date. Better to neglect this date. Next, like this, all like this one also, like see view assessment. After that, see here you have to select your file, then you have to click on submit. So all these documents uploaded like this only. After uploading the offer letter, next service agreements. See here I didn't upload service agreement, right? My grade is like C1. So for C1 grade no need to upload service agreements. Only Y1 grade people you have to submit service agreement to. Understood, right? I mean, if you don't know which one your grade, you can refer your grade first page of your offer letter they mention. So go through once offer letter and check which one grade you are, and according to those grade you have to upload service agreement also. Understood, right? So this is also like launch assessment. So like this in before documents, for me showing like view assessment, right? Because I already sub uploaded, right? That's why showing view assessment. Without uploading, before uploading any documents, it's showing like launch assessments. You have to click on launch assessment, then you have to select your file and you have to submit. Understood, right? See here warning it came, right? Why? Because I didn't attempt this, right? Without attempting this only I want to move forward. That's why it's showing like warning. So then there's time you have to click on move forward. It will move to next page. Next, last one, onboarding documents upload. Here also I uploaded, that's why it's showing view assessment. So here also you have to select and it will open. After that you have to select your file and you have to click on submit. After all documents uploaded means next, one pop-up it come like this. See, please press cross twice on the top right corner of your screen to close this window or to exit this course. So after uploading all these documents you can close this window. After uploading all your documents, within 1 or 2 days, they will send mail regarding whether all documents approved or some of documents rejected. According to that, you have to upload again. Understood? I hope everyone understood how to upload ION documents in XPLORE ION. If you follow like this process, your all documents will approve successfully. If you have any doubts regarding how to upload documents, please comment below. Definitely I will try to reply those comments. And in next video, like how to fill all onboarding forms like form 2, form 9 and all, I will explain. That's it for today. Stay tuned for upcoming uploaded videos. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.